What is up guys, this is Shady Tech. Today I have a Honor Magic Watch 2 46mm smartwatch that I bring to you guys. And this is color charcoal black editions. Wristband type is called black fluorescent small strap. Pardon my French. Right, so without further ado, and open this box. Alright, first thing you presented with the watch already in its elegant black. Okay, how should I open this? Okay, maybe I'll put it aside here first. And the first thing you're gonna notice is the cable. So this is a USB to USB Type-C cable. Alright, put that aside, and then we have the charging pad with a magnetic charging dock here. And I think that's pretty much it from the box. And the rest, you got the usual manual warranty card, quick startup guide in few languages. Alright, so I guess that's it pretty much from the box. Gently put this out, and you got a soft styrofoam here to make the watch security. I think that's pretty much it from the box. Okay, so let's put aside. Right, so we're gonna look at the watch itself now. Okay, so first thing you're gonna notice is you got two physical buttons here, and you got a little bit of red accent as you can see on top of the right, and on the bottom it's totally black. And around here you got it's called tachymeter here, as you can see. I think it's focusing, tachymeter all around it. Yeah, from the side you can see that the top of the surface is actually protrude out, so it's not with the screen here is not within the diameter, but instead it's like all around it. So my suggestion is you get a screen protector or something to cover this thing up, because even though it's like Gorilla Glass, is gonna scratch if you're not being too careful with it. Okay, so let's see. So this is a rubber strap. Got nice two cover here on the strap, and you got Honor branding on top here, and on the bottom at the back you got the sensors, few sensors, and charging dock for the charger. Supposed to be 14 days of battery, and definitely I'll check this out. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this on my watch, on my wrist. I have read a medium to maybe small size of hand, and the 46mm fits, I would say, quite nicely all around here. My hand, it's not too big and it's not too small. I think it's like the perfect size for me. Cool, so let's boot this thing up for the first time, and we shall do an initial setup of this watch. Okay, welcome back. Apparently the watch that I got doesn't have any juice at all, so I've been charging it up, and this is the initial boot of the watch. As you can see, it has the Honor branding as you would expect, and then you got the language selection. Let's just go with English, and there you have it. You have to pair it with what? With your phone, of course, and just have to go to over here. The phone, you should be able to see Honor Magic Watch down below with 2, and then you just press it, and it is gonna press real soon. Alright, so you can see, just have to click and pair. Now it's in pairing mode. Okay, so after that you should be able to see it's connected for calls. So now you can even use your watch to make calls. But we're gonna try that. We're gonna do the review of that in different videos. As for this one, I'll just do an initial setup. Okay, so now we're in it. The watch default home screen looks like so. And over here, the phone, it looks like this. Let's take a look at the phone interface first. So over here you got the steps, carry, distance, watch face. So the initial one, you got all this kind of watch face, and you can download all of them here. A lot of them actually. When you get the idea, I can just continue to keep scrolling it down. Huawei True Sleep, activity reminder, continuous heart rate monitoring, automatic stress test, alarm, music, notification, favorite, weather report, Bluetooth, raise wrist to wake screen, and let's see if we have any firmware. So it doesn't have any firmware now, and I'm on 1.0030. Alright, so that's pretty much it on the phone. Now I'm gonna move on to the watch. So this is the default home screen watch. You got your time here, the weather, and the step count. If you swipe to right, you get your. Okay, maybe I'll just put this on. Okay, maybe not. I'll just show you guys like so. The strike game, you will see the stress level, the weather report, the music. You can store your music here, and I believe it's about 2 point something gig out of 4 gig usable music. And then you got your steps, timer, and that's it. If you swipe up, you'll get your message, and if you swipe down from below, you'll get your notifications, your Bluetooth, find phone, alarm settings, show times, no disturbs. If you press on the upper right, top right, it's going back to the home screen. If you press once again, you go to the menu settings. If you press down below, it's going to the workout. So for the workout, you will have outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor, indoor walk, pool swimming, climbing, hiking, trail, triathlon, elliptical, rower, and others. Fasten your watch and then okay, I'll do it later on.
Workout paused. Workout ended.
Okay, let's see the menu instead. So the menu, once again you got a heart rate, activity record, sleep, stress, breathing exercise, call log, contact, music, air pressure, compass. Is it compass accurate? You're gonna do something like that, and it will calibrate. Notification, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight. So if you press flashlight, it's something like this. Pretty bright, I would say, since it's AMOLED anyway. And settings itself, you got the earbuds. If you have any earbuds, you can connect it to it easily. Display, sound, strength, do not disturb, down, system, about. Okay, maybe we will take a look at the display. Brightness, advanced, sleep, screen time, okay. If you press long, you should be able to switch to your watch face. So initially you got these few options you can choose from, but of course you can download much more from the from the apps on phone. But as for now, you got few of these options you can choose from. I think I'll just go with this for now. So I'll just put it on my watch again, on my wrist again. Sorry about that. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it from me, Shady Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be doing a review of this after I will be using it for 1 or 2 weeks and do a full review of this and give you guys the bad, the goods, and the ugly or the beauty of this watch. Hope to see you guys again soon. Stay tuned to Shady Tech for more. Bye.